2012 Nissan Murano. Here's the trick to put the alternator. Down.
Down there?
Yeah. So you have to drop the subframe. You have to loosen the compressor, and you got to get it up from under here. It's a very tricky job. So here we go. We're going in now. There's not enough room, so it's like a real trick to put it in even.
So that will not go in unless you drop that subframe down.
Correct. So subframe has to be down.
And the compressor.
Compressor, yes. Otherwise there's no room. You see I'm struggling to even put it in.
And you have to do it from the bottom.
Yeah, from the bottom up. You gotta like keep playing with it.
Gotta fit the square peg in the round circle here.
Yeah. It's a little.
You're getting it.
It's a little bit like a puzzle. Okay. Hold this for me. I'm gonna get the little bit of my screwdriver.
So now to loosen the subframe, you gotta loosen this bolt right here.
Yeah.
And you get it from the bottom. What size is that, do you know?
It's 21.
21 millimeter.
Yes. Okay. Hold on a second. See if you can.
You gotta watch your fingers.
Watch out.
Here, twist that a little bit. You want me to pry it? Can you move that compressor out a little bit?
You got it in there? See it?
All right, so we lowered the core a little bit, so it's a little bit easier to figure it out instead of lifting up.
Yeah, it's a little tricky. Now the tricky part is to put the bolt in it. See that bolt? We might need a ladder so I can catch up there and make sure it's gonna keep falling down.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah, you. I need to get a ladder. You're gonna put it in the hole there. Easy to do is just to put the screwdriver in it right now. I put the top hole in first. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Here. See what we're doing? It's a very tough job. Why be a camp mechanic? See what I did? Now let's bring it down. Let's put the top bolts first. Look at the bottom. We get
So you're gonna do, what are you gonna do? The top bolts from the top?
the top bolts first, yeah. Grab the light. This way. Come.
All right, so.
See, there's no room here. There's no room here. Oh.
There's no room to get it out, that's for sure.
Yeah? Yeah, so we have to put this bolt in first, which goes from behind. You know what I mean?
So you gotta get all the way in there.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna tighten it from the top or the bottom?
From the top. It's stupid way they designed it. You know what I mean? I guess I can put the wire later. Let's put the bolt in first. You know what I mean? No, I better put the plug in first.
So you're gonna. So you got it in there. You got the first bolt in?
Huh?
You have the first bolt in?
No, I just put it underneath.
And then you're plugging it in, the wire first.
Yeah, I want to plug in this wire because this wire, once you put it in, it's very hard to plug it.
So it's best to put the wire in before you connect the wire before you bolt it up.
Yeah. There's no room in there, you see? I mean, you could just take this fan out and there'd be a lot more room.
But, you know, why get into all that?
Yeah. Even this one, but. Let me see the light.
Yeah.
How come the wire's not? see what's going on. See, you gotta go like that.
All right, so you had the wire plugged in, now you're trying to get the bolt in.
Yeah.
How long does this whole job take?
Probably like 3 hours. See it?
Yep.
Am I lined up?
Yeah. Oh, I can't tell if it's lined up.
We gotta lift the compressor up because the compressor is messing me up. Alright, let's go up. Let's put the compressor in.
Lift the car up again.
The compressor's on my way. How are we looking?
We go a little higher.
No. A little bit hot. I want to put this bolt in, then I want to put the compressor.